the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Hi guys, we're in Mitsuwa right now, and here's Lorraine just woke up from her nap, and Joe's hair is kind of messy on the side because he needs some wax, hair wax, and we're gonna get more of the hair wax.
Hot wax.
Huh? Oh, hi Lorraine, she's awake. She just woke up. Hi guys, we're in Mitsuwa.
Like a trip.
Yeah, it's a little trip to Japanese supermarket, and we're going to do a haul on what we got.
Mom, look at this car.
Oh yeah, this car has a really cute sticker. Kind of scary though.
It's
Yeah.
kind of like.
And we're going to get some food here.
I'm not sure it's open.
It's open, and I think there's a line. I'm gonna.
We got a line up.
Yeah. Bye. This is
Hold
cinnamon
it here.
sugar.
Hold it here.
Cinnamon sugar mochi donut. You got the black sesame mochi donuts. Yeah. Well, how's yours? Yours looks so sugary.
I think before I eat that.
I made that before.
I
Good.
still remember.
You remember?
Whoa.
It's good.
I wake up.
You use this one?
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy in the tummy.
Soft inside.
Yours smells like cinnamon. You like that? There's a lot of sugar.
Must be good.
This is the most popular one. So good.
Salt and mochi.
That tastes like sesame. It's good.
It's good.
It's a lot of people.
Why not?
What are you eating so cute?
And different size.
You like this one? Inside's cream. No, I'm taking that. This one is good, right? So it's a long line there. There's always a line there for this one.
This is good. Fresh.
You like yours with this one? You like cinnamon then, right? Why did you pick this one? Is it because a lot of sugar there? Why?
Nice and clean.
Is it because I tell you it's cinnamon, or is it because it has sugar there?
Sugar.
Every time when we're baking, she asks me to give her some sugar.
Not too much sugar, okay?
Your cavity. One cavity. You want it?
Try the different ones.
But I feel like I'll be happy with these black sesame.
Try a different one. See which ones are.
Tastes like black sesame for sure.
I'm favorite that one.
What? Do with this? Some little rooster and
This is brown. When I eat them, a big one, a roll like sugar on my nose.
You like it, this one? I know you're gonna like it, this one.
Girl, we know you.
Hi guys! We are back from the Japanese supermarket. We just went to Mitsuwa. There was a lot of people, so we got what we needed and we came home. We also bought some food. To eat at home. Yeah, we went to the Japanese supermarket. It's called Mitsuwa. It's in New Jersey.
Hey guys.
Okay, so we bought some stuff. It's not a lot of stuff, but we are going to do a Japanese supermarket
Like a
haul
tour?
today.
We're gonna do it like a haul or something.
We're going to do the haul. We're gonna start off with food that we got, which is the Hokkaido Ramen Santoka. This is like a franchise ramen shop and they have it around the world. Okay, we got 2 ramens. One is the spicy miso
I don't like
and
spicy.
one is the salt ramen.
You know I don't like spicy. But I can eat a little bit, not a lot.
We also got the salmon bowl for hungry at
Okay,
home.
this is the fish.
And we got the king crab roll with uni on the top. It looks delicious. My favorite is
I can't wait to eat this.
yeah, I can't wait to eat that. Which one?
The noodle one.
Oh, you can't wait to eat the
Yeah.
ramen? Yeah, she likes to eat ramen. Any noodles, just like us. And we have the imitation crab meat. This is for Joe.
I can't wait to chop.
Moving on to next. Of course, we have the coffee. This is Joe's favorite coffee. This is
He
the
don't like
UCC,
milk from cow.
the Japanese brand.
I can
This is
for the stomach.
yeah, this is like an acid powder. If you have heartburn, acid indigestion, or upset stomach, you can take this, and it's really good brand in Japan.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, I got that from Japan for my parents. It's just good to have at home. We got the bread from the Japanese bakery inside this
You can't
supermarket.
eat like mud.
So we have the
But it's
hot roast spaghetti sauce. This is really good. This is the soup base for the shabu shabu.
For the noodle.
We also got the Japanese eggs, orange yolk, which is really good. I like this.
Okay, let me.
This yakisoba noodles. This noodle, the texture is really good. Tried it last time, it was really good. So I got it again. At first I couldn't find it. I found it. There was only one left. So moving on, we have the shrimp. I got the shrimp. This is nothing special. And I got the ground pork here. And they have the chicken marinade teriyaki. We have the chicken marinade black pepper. Chicken tender here. We made frozen tempura. You just need to deep fry it. And it will be same as tempura that you eat outside.
Frozen means.
Do you want to
it's
show this one?
ice.
Sid?
I bought the onigiri, but it's soda, but the lady gave me that.
We asked the lady if they still have the salmon because they ran out. And the lady went inside to get more for us. We got the salmon. This is her favorite onigiri. I'm going to try this out. This is like a seasoning for rice. You just have to pour it in the rice cooker and it will be flavorful. Never tried this before. The Japanese ramen. This is the 2 favorite chips I love.
Me too. I feel like eating this.
Yeah, can't wait to go back to Japan.
Because it's virus.
Toilet cleaning gel. You just place it in the toilet bowl and it helps it clean and it smells really good. Gatsby hair wax.
Okay, that's funny.
This is the Thunder chocolate. You love that.
Me too.
Yeah, this version
feel
is
like-
even better and it's thicker. This one, they have two different kind of Thunder chocolate. This one is my favorite.
This one I bought it from Mitsuwa. Is I think it's cheap. It has money, but Daddy's has still $0. So this is the chocolate from Mitsuwa. You can make chocolate with shapes. I can't wait to make this. It's another little chocolate Eden. This is ice cream chocolate. This is soft candy banana. It came from chocolate, but you put some sprinkles on. Look, it says that, and how many dollars is this? I think it's $2, and same as this, but this is making shapes.
Thank you guys for watching our video.
After when you eat, you get a film again. I hope you guys like it. I will show you next time again. But now you can, after you gonna eat, you can film and then I hope you guys like the watching video. Bye.
Hope you guys enjoy our Japanese supermarket grocery haul, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.